like it? An island? No, it's not. It's not like that. You're going to, yeah, but you're going to sit. Hey guys. Kuya, are you nervous? You're excited? Good. They will teach you how to ride it, okay? You need to listen to them carefully. Listen to the instruction, okay? Just hold here, ha? Don't hold here, ha? Don't hold here, okay? Dito lang, ha? Okay? Just don't hold the metal, okay? Wait lang, ha? Asha! Your feet! Your feet! Asha! Yay! Yay! Oo nga. It's okay, it's normal. Picture guys. Picture. Picture muna before anything else. Guys. Yan. Nanay. Boy. Malcolm, come here. Picture. Wait lang ha. Oh, say hi muna kasi kanina pa ako video eh. Happy Kids here!
Happy Kids here!
Good luck sa banana boat nyo.
Extreme po para dito. Para dito sa
Buti na lang.
red cup po.
Buti na lang hindi ako magbabanana boat.
Oh, hindi pwede. Mabutin tayo hanggang mamaya.
Hanggang dumilim eh, no?
Hanggang dumilim.
Hindi kayo makakauwi.
Hindi makakauwi, cancel flight kayo. Na ito muna.
Problema, basta ikaw mabahala sa akin mamaya.
Kaya.
Ay.
Sino magdadrive? Albert, ikaw?
Ako na lang.
Okay, ang lalaki.
You don't know how to like
Yeah.
Sa kids po.
Mami, naka-red ba?
Ubarin naman natin yan, ma'am. Papalitan naman natin.
Ah, papalitan to sa banana boat? Ah, okay. Sukbit lang.
Hindi naman ito yung gagamitin natin sa banana boat. Ay, sorry, love. Nagkakari ka? Para lang sa tawag ito. Coast Guard.
Magpapalit pa naman.
I'm the only one that's doing that. How about Isha, Sophia? We already know how to swim. I already know how to swim.
Date.
Mami dong.
So that's why you need a life vest.
Gusto nyo ito, pabigyan natin.
Yes!
Mami, phone mo. Pipicture.
Kapit, kapit! Ay, parang ano kayo. People.
Where's Malcolm?
Ay, sa kanyang adopted dad.
Oh, yeah, kay dad. Yeah. Like sa motorbike.
Si ma'am daw bahala sa akin mamaya.
Say hi, guys!
Hello! Grabe, sakto-sakto pala sa atin. Kaya nga, pamilya.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Dapat pagaling ka kasi naiipit ka. Kasi naiipit natin yung next ano. Yung
I don't know.
You hope very well. It's more scary for the night. But Albert was always safe because he was holding a knife.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, the biggest one?
Are you excited to go home now? Ah, guys. Why? You want to stay? What? How about you? Are you excited to go home? Because we're going to Hong Kong tomorrow. We're the last. Oh, we are the last. If you are in a line, you should have distance. Okay? At least estimate just like that. Okay? Keep up. Buckle up. You need to make it tight. Are you comfortable? Not too tight, huh? Okay. Asha.
This is red.
Asha. Malcolm. Malcolm. Malcolm, look at me.
Asian.